Okay guys, we'll do a little tutorial on using your graphing calculator to do some things with regression. So we'll just go ahead and put some data in a list here. I guess I better turn it on first. There we go. You can see I've got some of it started. I don't think I want that big value though. We'll put 14 in here. I'm just going to do it real quick. Not going to put a whole lot of points in, and I'm going to arrow over and get there. And I'm going to do it really fast on the calculator so it doesn't take too long. Okay, so I have my X and Y. Now I'm going to make a scatter plot, so I go second, Y equals, and I want to hit stat plot 1. Okay, right now it says stat plot off. Let's try that again. Second Y equals, so number 1 we'll enter on. I want to turn it on, and the scatter plot's the first one. And all I have to do is go zoom 9, and it will even set my window up for me. So there it is. Okay, now if I want to put the line in there, I just go stat, arrow over to calc, and you can see number 4 is linear regression. That's what we used to do in algebra, mx plus b. We want the other linear regression, which is number 8. You like to put the y-intercept first. I don't know why. Okay, and then I have to just go L1, comma L2, L1, comma L2, and then that will give me the equation. Now I could stop there, and you can see the equation. Beautiful. Oh, we don't have our R's on. Better teach you how to do that. All right, if you don't have your R's showing, you go second 0, that's second catalog. And then you're just going to arrow down until you get to diagnostic. I just hit the D, which is right here, and it gets me down to the D. So I just go diagnostic on, hit enter twice. Okay, now when I do the linear regression thing again, stat, arrow over to calc. Number 8 is the linear regression we want. I showed you that the last time. There it is. Okay, and then I'm going to go L1, the comma's above the 7, L2, and this time I'm going to put in there that I want the calculator, I'm going to put another comma, to put it right into the equation thing for me. So I go vars, arrow over to y vars, number 1 for function, and I'll put it into y1, and then I press enter. And you can see now you get your intercept and your slope, and then your correlation coefficient and coefficient of determination. Now when I press graph, take a look, boom. All right, now let's do the residual plot. The cool thing about the calculator is it will find the residuals for you as soon as you show a calculator, or as soon as you run regression. But what we're going to do is make the residual plot. We're still going to use plot 1, and the only thing we have to do is change the Y list to the residual list, and here's how you get it. If you look by the stat, right above that it says list. So we're going to go second, list. And then you can look, number 7 on mine, it may be down further on yours, is the residuals. The calculator makes a new set of residuals every time you run regression. So I'll press enter on that, zoom 9, and we'll have your residual plot. There it is. Now we only had 5 pieces of data. Okay, so it doesn't give us a really good scattered look of it. Here's another cool thing about the residual plot. If I go back to my lists and I go over to L3, I can actually put the residuals right in there. If I highlight the L3, and then again I want to find all my residuals, second list, number 7, and if I press enter, they'll put all the residuals in there. So the residual for this, the 0.73, is negative 0.634. Now, what did we say about the sum of the residuals? If we added all of those up, we should get 0. Let's see if we do that. If I quit out of here, I'll go second quit, and then I'll keep that there. Again, underneath the list thing, there's some other stuff to do. We go second list, arrow over to math, and we want the sum. You see number 5 there is sum, and we put all of our residuals in L3, so I'm going to find the sum of L3. Now if it doesn't give us exactly 0, it's probably a scientific notation deal, so don't freak. Yep, that's 2 times 10 to the negative 13, or 0.0000002. Close enough among friends. So there's a little help on how to use your graphing calculator with linear regression. Guys, I love you, care about you, and I want you to do well. Hope you're enjoying the book.